If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate the stuttering. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower some of the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Go to the options menu and reduce settings like shadows, texture quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable full screen optimization. Right-click on the Elden Ring executable file, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Disable full screen optimizations. This can help with performance issues on some systems. Step 4. Set high priority in Task Manager. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC. Find Elden Ring in the Processes tab, right-click on it, and select Set Priority to High. This allocates more system resources to the game, potentially reducing stuttering. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on Elden Ring in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help with performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or support for further assistance. Happy gaming!